Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Welcome to Civil Engineering Trainer. My name is Faisal Bib. Today we are starting another lesson of Autodesk CP3D. So today our topic is import point drawing from Notepad file. So this is another method of import point and drawing. So the topic is how to make a Notepad file, and next is how to import Notepad point file in drawings. So first of all, I want to give some information about Notepad file. Basically, there are different type of method to import point in drawings. First is the CSV method and second is Notepad method. CSV method, if any survey take data from site, but this data is consist on some specific coordinate. But in Notepad file, this data may be in some label in offset. Okay, so we do some setting in its file. Then when we upload this data in some specific alignment, you can also see one preview. Here you can also see one alignment. Then we apply this data on some specific alignment, then all coordinate will be mentioned on the plan. You can also see here. So this is another unique method. I hope this method will be also helpful for you if you have no any coordinate, you have only label and offset. So let's start. So this is our welcome screen. So first of all, we open one new file and adjust its setting, like it adjustment of its units. So you can see our file is uploading. After that, we open from here application menu. After that, drawing utility and drawing setting. Okay, so same method, previous here setting, international fit. Okay, international and 1/500. Okay, after that here category Saudi Arabia. Okay, because I have data for Saudi Arabia and this area. Okay, apply, then okay. After that, unit UN enter, decimal. Okay, minute setting decimal, and here we keep here 3 digit and American international. Okay, so this is our basic setting of drawing complete. So first I want to tell you about something about label book data. Basically this data comes from survey. You can see here, this is all data take with the help of auto label. Okay, you can see here station, offset and label, and here description, and this is the road name. Okay, 0, 10, 20, 30, this is the station, and you can see here label, and this is offset, left side, right side. Okay, basically there is no any coordinate. This data we take with the help of label, so that's why we need to make one specific file input on some specific alignment. Okay, so first of all we delete this portion. After, we don't need a description. Okay, we also need to delete this one. After that, station, offset and elevation. First of all we remove here plus sign. So for removal this one, we click here A, all this will be selected. Okay, after that control H. You can see here we just want to remove H plus sign. Okay, plus. Okay, then replace. You can see here our plus sign is removed. You can see here. Now we also need to adjust its rotation. Like you can see here, our station alignment is 45 degree. We need to make it like a normal 0 degree. Okay, so we also select here again and right click. After that, format cell. Okay, format cell, this may take a little bit time because file is heavy. Okay, alignment. After that, you see here we just drag here straight. Okay, you can see all data is straight. Next method is we also remove this one, station, offset and label. Keep in mind, this is station, this is offset and this is label. So we click here and we merge and center. Okay, we merge and see here, and we center right here, and this top portion will be delete. Okay, now we drag all this one. You can see our total station, 0 station, all data will be equal with them. 35 offset, all offset with the station. Okay, so we adjust all these things same. This all station and this all data. It means this is one station and it's all data. Okay, so same like that we also drag this one, and also this one. So you can see here we drag all stations step by step and all data is ready. So our next step will be we just click here, and from here we no need border any. Okay, you can see here. Now here is some bold text, some other one, so we also one time again click. Okay, all text is same. So this is our station, and this is our offset, and this is our label. Okay, so here we will apply one formula equal, and you can see here concatenate. Okay, just click one time. After that, this one station, just click station. You can see here its origin point is coming here, its location a1. Okay, after that click here and comma. After that click here, next offset. After that here comma. After next label. Okay, see here station comma offset comma label. Okay, after that okay, our formula is ready. You can see here. After that we also need to drag this one down. If you just double click, automatically total drawing will be ready. Okay, you see here all column is okay. Now we copy this formula from here, copy. After that you can see here we make here new file like text document. We see here ngl for drawing. Okay, enter. After that paste this one formula. After that save. Okay, this file is ready. We don't need this one. So our level book okay, so we close this, and this is our data. We insert this data in our drawing. You can see here this is station, this is offset and elevation. Okay, all data from 0 to 600 ready. Now we open the drawing. You can see here this the drawing setting is ready. So now we make here one alignment. Okay, alignment for making PL enter. Please don't confuse about alignment, because I just make one alignment to import its some specific data. But inshallah when we start alignment chapter, all type of alignment I tell you in detail. Okay, so here we just make one alignment, here 300 and like here 350. Okay, we can see here this is polyline. We make this polyline with alignment. So alignment, create alignment from object. Okay, click here and just click here this arrow. It's mean you want to make this side. We say yes, and here you can see here we here write road name, road 1, center line. Okay, proposed. Okay, no label, we just major and minor 200. Okay, we can see here our drawing is alignment is ready. This is our alignment. Just change its label style from here, edit alignment label. Okay, 550. After that here perpendicular with tick. Okay, apply then. Okay, so you can see here our alignment is ready. Now we import all data on this alignment. So last time we discussed, we apply here just one type. We use this method, point creation tool. Okay, from here we import all data. But so in this time we apply here, click, and you can see here our fourth option, create point alignment, station offset, divide alignment. We just go here and import from file. Okay, just click here one time. You can see here our file is ready. This file we already make here, this file ngl offset. Okay, this file ngl for drawing. Okay, open. Now you can see here one window, small window open, and dragging with our cursor. Number 1 station offset, number 2 station offset elevation. Okay, and our data is same like that, station offset and elevation. Number 3 station offset rod, reading and height of instrument. Next station offset description, station offset, elevation and description different, but we follow here number 2 because we have data same like that. Station offset, elevation, number 2 enter. You can see here this is our required data. Okay, number 2 enter. Next, space or comma. We make comma in our formula. When we are making formula, we apply here comma method. Okay, so we also set 2 again. After enter are invalid indicator for elevation, we just enter again enter. Okay, this here select alignment. Okay, we just select alignment and maybe take a little bit time, but all type of data that we select will be apply here. You can see here all our NGL data inserted in our drawings. See here, this is all our NGL. Okay, so this NGL is on specific alignment because we don't have normally in coordinate, so we use alignment with offset. So you can see now we can adjust its label text. So same method, we click here and right click, point group property. Okay, after that its description, all data will be open. Basic we keep here benchmark. After that here just northing and easting. Okay, apply. You can see here all data. We use here different method. We want make point number, after that elevation and northing and easting. Okay, same we make new file here, new format. So we open this file and make new file, my style. This is a new name just for differentiate other one. Copy and layout, you just need to go layout. Okay, delete this one, delete this one, and just paste this one here. This is our new style. Okay, you can see. After that content, text content, go here and delete this one. First of all, we need to make here number, point number, point no equal. After that enter elevation, ELE equal, then E enter and enter mean northing easting. Okay, so we again go here point number and we select here point number. Okay, after that add. Okay, next we go here, then select here point elevation in front of elevation. Keep in mind in front of elevation, we follow here point elevation. Okay, next elevate easting, we find here easting, this is easting. Okay, 4 digit, we keep here 3 digit and okay, next northing, same method, we keep here 3 digit and northing add. Okay, you can see here. Now we just change its color and its format of text. So here we keep here Arial and this will be cyan. Okay, bold. After that elevation, from here elevation we can apply Arial and green. Okay, green or blue. Okay, after that this one we apply here Arial again and bold and white. Okay, so here this color, point color will be different, elevation will be different, and northing listing will be different. Okay, you can see here apply, then okay, apply, then okay. See here, this is my style. See this one, this is my style. Okay, so there is some disturbance on overlapping, so simple method, we just go here and scale, reduce its scale, so all type of data will be clear. So you can see here all type of point number 1, you can see any point number 11, 111, elevation this one, and easting and northing. Okay, this is the same method we applied last time. So this is the simple method of making alignment data with the help of Notepad file. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this lecture series. If you have any questions, so please comment in the comments box. Inshallah, I try my best to give you some suitable answer. Thanks for watching. See you next video. Allah Hafiz.